Good morning dear students, welcome to your computer class. So in today's class I am going to show you that how you can draw and color different kinds of shapes in MS Paint. Okay, so starting chapter 8, draw and color shapes. Okay, so in this chapter first I will tell you how you can draw a polygonal shape in MS Paint. For drawing polygonal shape, click on this polygon tool given in shapes group. Click here and then choose the color which you want to use for making your drawing. I have chosen the red color. According to your book, I have chosen this color. Okay, now decide the starting point from where you want to make the polygonal shape. So I have started from here. Okay, and then I am drawing the shape. Okay, you can just click on the edges. Okay, directly you can click on the edges till where you want to take it. Okay, one way is you can draw it like this. Another way, you can just click at the end till where you want the edge. Okay, in this way you can also draw the shape. Okay, so this star looking shape is completed now. Okay, now if you want to fill color in it, so you can choose any different color. Like I'm choosing the yellow color for filling color in these outer triangles. Okay, I have filled this color. In this way you can fill the color, and if you want to change different color in the center group, you can change it and you can fill it. Okay, now I will show you that how you can draw this butterfly and how you can use the airbrush tool. The airbrush tool, it's also called a spray brush tool. Okay, actually when you click on this brush tool, so there are different kinds of brushes. This one is called the airbrush tool, which is used to spray. Okay, using this airbrush you can spray the color in any object. Okay, now I will tell you how you can draw this kind of butterfly. So for this, first you have to click on the heart shape given in this shapes tool. Here it is. Okay, I have chosen this heart shape. Now I'm drawing a heart shape and I'm choosing the color yellow. Okay, I'm choosing this yellow color, this one, bright one. Okay, and I'm just drawing the heart shape. Okay, it's done now. Okay, I want another heart shape with the same size, but first I want to rotate it. Okay, because the wings of the butterfly, I have to rotate it left side. So I am clicking on this rotate option and I am rotating it 90-degree left. Okay, after rotating it, I am just going to copy it. So I am just copying this. First I will click on this object and first I have to select the object. Okay, so I'm going to select it. After selecting, okay, you can copy it. Click on copy option. After clicking on copy, click on paste option. As you click on paste, so you can see the same kind of heart is there. Now you have to rotate this heart to right side. To click on this rotate option and choose rotate right. Okay, again you have to rotate it right. Okay, now this is the correct position. Okay, then shift this heart shape here. Okay, again I'm going to copy this shape and again I'm pasting it, and I am just reducing the size of this heart because अभी हमें small hearts चाहिए है for the inner wings. So I'm just reducing the size of this heart. Okay, it's done. This one is perfect. Okay, I can reduce it little more. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, and I have fixed it here. Now again I'm copying because I want the heart shape of same size. Okay, and I have to rotate it as I want it. That's it. Okay, it's rotated and I'm fixing it here. It is fixed here. Okay, now so wings are ready. Now I have to make this center part of the butterfly. So for that I will use this eclipse option. Use this oval shape. Okay, and by clicking on this you can draw it. I have changed the color as I want to draw the red one, so I have just, okay, it's done. I'm just shifting it little bit. Okay, so this is the center part of the butterfly. Okay, it's done now. Now you have to make this circle face. So for this also I will use the same oval option but black color. Okay, so this is the head of the butterfly, and then these upper part you have to draw. Okay, so using pencil I'm going to draw these shapes. Okay, this is how you can draw this. Okay, now let's start filling color in this butterfly. So in inner wings we will be filling red color, so I am selecting the red color and choose this fill with color option and just fill the red color where you want. Okay, in all these three parts I have filled the red color. Okay, if you want to change the color then you can change, like if you want to fill any other color here then you can do. Okay, but I want to fill the red color. Okay, so I'm choosing this red color. Okay, now in these outer wings we will be filling yellow color, so I'm choosing this yellow color. Okay, because the lighter I will use for giving shade. So just click here and these wings are filled. Now in the head we will be filling black color, so it is filled with black. Now we will use the airbrush tool. As you all can see, this butterfly is looking a little simple, so we will make it a little attractive. Okay, just let me draw the eyes of this butterfly. Okay, these are the eyes of the butterfly. Okay, freehand I am drawing, that's why these are not circular. You can use the oval shape for drawing the eyes also. Okay, now I will use the airbrush tool, but first you have to decide which color you want to use to spray. So I'm going to use this light yellow color for spraying. Click on the airbrush and from here you can choose the size. Okay, if you will choose this size, so it will make a very dark spray, and I want light spray, so I'm choosing this one. Okay, but not this one because the size of the butterfly is little small. Okay, this one is appropriate. Now I'm going to give shade. In the red color you can see easily, you can see I'm just spraying in this red portion and it's looking quite good. It's up to you how much, if you want to give dark shade so you can give, otherwise you can give in this portion. That was it was very dark, so I'm just using the light spray option. This one is better, and here also I am giving the yellow spray. Here also I'm using, actually it's going out of boundaries, so I'm using it in this way. So this is the use of airbrush tool, which you can use to make your drawing more attractive. Okay, this is how you can choose, you can use it. Okay, you can choose any color which you want. If you want to give the shade of red color in yellow portion, then you can do that also. Okay, if you want to give the shade with red color, so wait, I'm showing you how it will look like if you will choose the red color for shading. Okay, see in this portion, if you will choose the red color, so it will look like this, but it's not looking good. You can choose any other color, it will look like this, you know, but I think the yellow one is perfect, so I'm giving the shade with this yellow color only. You know, color combination is very important for drawing. Okay, so this is how you can draw the things with the help of different shapes, and you can fill color in different ways. Okay, so that's all for today. See you all in the next class if you have system. So just keep practicing of drawing. Take care of yourselves. Bye.